Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. I have some amazing news for you all. If you did not know, I have sessions every Monday to Friday, actually even Saturday, where I share all my trades at WhatsApp and Telegram. But what I'm going to do now is to take things to the next level. Yes, I also share these sessions I do from Monday to Friday, 7:30 to 8:30 GMT minus 3. I do this also on YouTube, where you can pay to follow my trades. This is for the broker IQ Cent and Forex. Now I'm going to take one more session. This will be the special one, okay? It will be on this broker. But I decided I will do things a little different, okay? Because you know me, I like to do things different. First of all, I wanted to make a very good link for you, affiliate link, okay? So when you sign up now with this broker, not only do you get a normal account, but you get a big part of my affiliate income. That means every time you do a trade on this broker, okay, you get money back, cash back. Every single time you trade, you get money back when you trade, because you get basically a big part of my affiliate income. But not only do you get that, when you make a new account, because if you have an old account, first of all, it makes sense to make a new so you can get the money back, right? Plus, when you make a new account, or you don't have an account from before, you just make with the link below here, or use the link you see up here right now, you can be a part of every single session I have, because I will have a new session, so I will have a number 2 session. This will be from 12 to 1 GMT minus 3, okay? So when I have sessions there, you can join completely for free. The only thing you need to do to use the link, like I said, below the video, is this alpha1 signals.com, okay? When you join there, I will then add your email address that you have in YouTube, and everyone that have made a deposit using my link will be able to be in my live stream, where I share my trades, where you can see my screen, I will talk to you, I will explain everything in detail while I do the things I do it completely for free, forever. How cool is that? But I want that only people that are serious and have made a deposit using my link. Okay, so there you have it. Now we will have a new session live for this broker. Make sure you go in, use the link you find below. I'm not sure I will have this special link there a long time. I will have it now just for a little while, where I share a part of my affiliate com. Later on I will remove it, have a normal one there. So if you want to take advantage and make the best out of this situation, open with the link below now and enjoy that you get money back every time you trade. Plus you can trade together with me every Monday till Friday. Okay, so stay tuned. Monday will be the first day we trade. That means tomorrow. So make sure you open an account today and join me tomorrow, and let's make money together. Okay, so with that, have an amazing day.